Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. On the menu today, we're recreating the Little Caesars Crazy Puffs jumbo style. Let's get right into it. Alright friends, here we have a pound of pizza dough, and because we're making the larger jumbo size Crazy Puff, this amount of pizza dough should work perfectly. Alright friends, we got our pizza dough cut out, some pizza sauce, pepperoni, mozzarella cheese or muffin tin. We have 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, and we'll go ahead and add some salt, garlic powder, and some Italian herb. We'll now go ahead and put it all together. Alright friends, there you have it. Soft, cheesy, homemade Crazy Puffs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time.